She said some non-Ahmadi Muslim in Kababir, they blame us why we do come to England to attend Jalsa, and they said it's better for us to go to Hajj, and because they think that we come here for our own Hajj.
This is a strange question, because it is without foundation. All the people who go to Hajj, do they not visit other countries for different sessions, meetings? All the Arab states have their heads and delegations who visit many non-religious sessions in which they participate and get benefit from that. So if somebody travels for a religious purpose to benefit from a session which is based on religion, it is better to do so. It's not advisable to condemn this effort. Any journey taken for the sake of Allah, anywhere, is rewarded by God. So this is a journey which Ahmadis take for the sake of Allah. But we do not consider it Hajj. Even if an Ahmadi visits Ahmadiyya's central Jalsa, it's not always held in London. This is also wrong. It is held in different places. Previously it was held in Rabwa and previously in Qadian. So first of all, this should be noted by that person who asked this question, that the place of Hajj cannot be changed. So the nature of this Jalsa proves that you are wrong in this allegation. If it were Hajj, it should have been carried out in the same place every time. You can't remove the venue of Hajj from Mecca to Medina, from Medina to Saudi, to Jeddah, and so on and so forth. The venue of Hajj is set by God. It can never be changed. So Ahmadis who go to Jalsas, their Jalsas keep on changing from place to place. How can that be similar to Hajj? So the allegation is definitely false. Again, Ahmadis believe that if the Ahmadis attend such Jalsas 50, 70 times, yet the Hajj will remain hanging on their head. Unless they perform Hajj, their religious obligation to perform Hajj will not be over. So that shows that the questioner wants to object, otherwise there is no substance in his allegation. Wherever I go, the Jalsa shifts, the central Jalsa shifts. This is not the case of Hajj. Even Ahmadis went to different places, but the place of Hajj did not move along with him. I must remove a possible misunderstanding here. Somebody may say, your Jalsa, central Jalsa, goes on moving with you, while according to you, Rasulullah, the Hajj did not move along with him. Hajj cannot move along with anybody. But the central Jalsa was always where Rasulullah was. So this is the case of the moving of Jalsa. Most of his life, Rasulullah after Hijrah spent in Medina. All the religious gatherings there were the central gathering. And whoever came from far off to participate in those, he was rewarded by Allah. But none called it Hajj. That is the point I am making. Wherever Rasulullah went, the center moved. Wherever he gathered people to address, that was the central gathering, which was specially rewarded by Allah. But it was not called Hajj. That is exactly what I am saying. Yes.
يقول
Little point should be repeated in one or two sentences. Wherever Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam went, center of Islam moved with him, but Hajj did not. That is the long and short of this.